let's get serious for a moment. This video goes out to the one girl I love. Hold on. Dim the light, dim the lights, dim the lights. A little lower. Yeah, I'm talking to you. To the girl I love, the cameraman's mom. Ooh, yeah. I stare into your eyes because I love you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Cameraman's mom. I love you. All right, today. I hope she's watching, man. I hope she's watching. Today we've got the inherit property. Let's get started. Because I love you. All right, so if we want to get started here, let's take a look and see if we can knock out this inherit property for CSS. And just let me reiterate, for the HTML series, that's bare bones HTML. For the CSS, it's bare bones CSS added on to your HTML elements. Right? And then from there, what you're going to want to do is then start incorporating the JavaScript. And then we'll move forward to React, in which there's a number of different series within the channel where you can take a look at a number of different languages and start putting them all together. But we'll also do that as well. But back to the inherit property here. So we have a div here. We have a standard HTML document. We have an index.html file, and we have the styles included into the actual program itself, and we have a small amount of HTML. Now what we're going to do is we have a rule called div, and it has a property of width and height and a border of 1 pixel solid black, as you can see on the screen. Now let's create another rule and let's use the inherit property. So I'm going to have a rule and select the p tag. And what I want to do is, now notice here, the parent, or actually the div is the parent. The paragraph tag is a child inside of the parent. So being that we have a rule for the div and we have a border already in there, let's add another border for the paragraph. But instead of actually writing 1 pixel solid black, all we have to do is simply type in inherit and look on the screen to the right, in which now I did not write 1 px solid black, but the paragraph does also have a border. And we can take that to another level as well if we wanted to say, let's say, what else can we actually change here? Something simple. The div, it doesn't have, well, it already has a height, right? Actually, it does have a width. Actually, no, it has a height, so let's use that. So let's use height, and we'll type inherit as well. And now, if you take a look on the right, now the paragraph's height is also 400 pixels, all right, because it was inherited from the actual parent itself. And that's the inherit property, everyone. Thank you very much. Subscribe, comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and hit the notification so you can make sure you're getting all of the information and you're first in line to actually see when a new video is released. All right, Stack out. Talk with you later.